Francesco Orsi. I am a research scientist at the University of Trento in the Department of Civil, Environmental and Mechanical Engineering, and I'm one of the partners of the InnoForESt project.
Okay. We're talking to you about this InnoForESt project. What is it about?
Well, the InnoForESt project is about business innovation in the field of forest ecosystem services. In other ways, finding new ways of enhancing and protecting ecosystem services from forests, and particularly ecosystem services that have no market, and so should find different ways of support compared to other typically market services.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but these are for free. Why do we need innovation, or why do we need new ideas? I mean, it happens anyway.
Well, in fact, they happen anyway, but the problem is that if there's no sort of economic value, the risk is that humans will not give value to them, and so they will destroy the ecosystems that in fact provide them.
Okay. So what is your role in this project? What are you actually doing?
Well, I'm working, I would say, on two levels. The first level is about mapping, so I'm deeply involved in mapping these forest ecosystem services at a continental level, so at a European scale. And on the second level, I am essentially supporting the province of Trento, which is the practice partner, to conduct workshops and to interact with stakeholders for in fact, the protection of these services.
Well, this sounds like a very useful endeavor. What do you like working in this international project?
Well, I think what is nice is to have, first of all, connections with all the other partners, and these come from, I would say, a wide range of countries from Europe, and so it's nice to interact with them and to learn a bit more about their realities. What is also nice is this combination between a scientific partner, of which I am a member, and a practice partner. So the project is really rooted in the ground. It's not something that is just pure research, but has an impact in the field.
Well, thank you very much. I would, for a last question, like to ask you, what do you hope the project will achieve? What is your vision?
Well, what would be nice is that the innovations that we're working on will be further developed and have an impact on human communities in the different countries and potentially in other countries as well.
Yeah, I'm Caterina Gagliano. I work for Forest Services of Autonomous Province of Trento, and my office is involved in the project as partner of the consortium, and we manage forest in this territory, so we are very, very close to the thematic of the project.
Very good. What is your main concern? What is your problem or your concern with managing the forests in this region?
Mainly, probably the main problem or the main goal is to find the balance between the function of forest that we have to assure and the needs of property. So they need money, they need to activate the market, but at the same time we have to assure that forests continue to provide forest services to the entire country.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you have been talking about the services that you, as the forest administration here, want to provide and what the forests provide to society. Which specific services does the forest provide?
By an integrated management, our forest can assure and can give all forest functions, all forest services. I mean, by an active management of many natural resources, pastures and forests mainly, we can guarantee the protection, water conservation, but also a wonderful landscape for tourists, and also roads and services for example, hunting games. And our main job is to find the balance between the request of each actors, but at the same time we have to preserve forest.
Who are you working together with in this project?
I'm working with, for the province, I'm working with the University of Trento, and we start a good collaboration to contact different actors and different stakeholders in a specific area of the province called Primiero to find their or to ask them what they need from the forest and to understand what we can do for them, guided by the idea that we have to assure for our mandatory this balance between private and public requests.
Very good. So, why are you then participating in an international project?
It's very stimulated, it's very exciting to be here, to have contact with different persons, and also to understand that there are other ideas, other perspectives respect to the local one. And if you share information, if you share position, or if you share ideas and view, you can grow and probably find a new way to make better your work.
Wonderful.